Hiccups got you down? Here's why a simple glass of water could be your best friend. Alright, so hiccups are caused by sudden involuntary contractions of your diaphragm. These contractions lead to your vocal cords snapping shut, creating that hic sound we all love to hate. Now here's where water comes in. When you drink water, especially in quick sips, you're essentially resetting your diaphragm. The act of swallowing helps to calm those spasms by engaging your throat muscles and the esophagus. Plus, the cool sensation of water can stimulate the vagus nerve, which runs from your brain to your stomach. This nerve can help relax the contractions causing the hiccups. So next time you're battling hiccups, grab a glass of water and sip away. It's a simple trick backed by some cool science. Cheers to being hiccup-free. And there you have it, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.